Okay, okay. Actually, I was actually going to ask about tools, but it's a good thing you mentioned. You should go to YouTube University. So let's speak about
Yeah,
leveraging social media. Your TikTok channel has been a platform for helping aspiring project managers. How has
yeah.
social media played a role in educating and inspiring others?
I think that's what my page is all about. Like I said earlier, there are lots of internship opportunities, volunteering positions, but people who need it are not getting it. The people who need the information are not getting it most times. So I took it upon myself when I was creating that account to strictly focus on project management content. I know, I think I've always said it on my page. I know that educational content most times on social media these days does not fly. If you're not creating skits, if you're not doing funny content, or if you're not being controversial, you're not really gonna blow on the internet these days. But if you're controversial or not, that you're gonna blow. So most of this content, people even on LinkedIn, industry knowledge doesn't really get that much engagement on posts and all that, except when you're telling it as a story, or you're trying to promote how to be on LinkedIn and all that. Those ones get enough engagement. So when I see project managers on LinkedIn who talk about their webinars, their workshops, I take it upon myself to spread the word. I reach out to them. Hello, please, can I share this to people outside LinkedIn because I know people need it. So I leverage TikTok, get the information with their permission, and put it on TikTok and get people on TikTok who don't have that privilege of knowing those people to connect. So more like I'm using social media to connect people with knowledge that they are missing out on. That's just it. And I'm really, really happy that it's been effective. It's helping. And people are also getting to ask questions. I have a free one-on-one with most people on from my TikTok channel. I just made it free because I know that if I had something like that when I was starting out, I wouldn't be as confused as I was. So people get to ask questions. You notice that people have been confused. Like they have questions, and most times they have the answers to their questions, but they just want a reconfirm. Like they want someone to confirm that okay, yes, this thing that I said I would do is I'm actually right. I had a one-on-one with someone, and I'm like, I think you've answered your questions yourself. You've given the answer to the question. She said, yes. I just want to know if I'm right. You see that doubt there. So people know, most people know what to do, but they just need someone to tell them that, yes, go ahead, it's right. And when you don't have that kind of support from the people who you think know or are experts in the field, you feel like you're not doing enough, and it will affect your growth. Doubts and fear, it will affect your growth. So I think social media, it's really helping in that aspect. That's part of social media is really, really helping by um joining people and knowledge all together. Without social media, I don't think you would have met me, would you?
I know. Social media is everything, man. I mean, if you're not on social media right now, social media is a world of over 4 billion people. I mean,
More.
where else are you